everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, this is the time of evening and I am going to my home because that before some time I came to my field to make video, and this is the time of evening and many small insects are sounding, so I am feeling scary too because I am alone at my field. You can just see the things that I am alone in my field. So right now I'm going to my house and guys, I'm in the journey of learning English and improving my English communication skills. So if you want to be the part of my English journey, so you can just try to learn new things. So you can just go and watch my videos, and you can just feel that I also are stuck in many places, but still my aim is clear that I want to become a fluent English speaker, and I one day I will be. So guys, don't hesitate that I'm making mistake and I will not speak. If I will be able to speak English clearly and without any making mistake, that time I will speak. No guys, no one is here with who is here without making any mistake. Guys, if today I am able to speak this type of sentences, and right now if I am speaking English, then behind it I have sacrificed many things. I have made many mistakes. I have made many wrong sentences, but till now I have confidence that one day I will be a best English fluent speaker. So still I am trying to improve my English and communication skills. So guys, never give up in your life. If you give up, then you will learn never. So I will always try to tell you guys, and I always suggest you that never lose your confidence, and just try to speak whatever you know. Guys, you know that I am alone at my home who is speaking English and who is trying to improve English communication skills, and want to become a fluent English speaker. And if I am alone at my home, then obviously I am alone because there is no one who is ready to practice with me and who will be my partner for practicing English. Yet I am here to speak English and practice my English by myself. If I can do it, then you can also do it. So guys, if this video is helpful for you and you learned something from this video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Meera, and please share this video with your friends and who wants to learn English. And please guys, suggest any a special topic if you want on this topic. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.